Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake at home. First, gather your ingredients and ensure they are at room temperature for a smooth, lump-free batter. This crucial step helps everything combine beautifully. You'll also need an 8-inch springform pan, which is essential for achieving that classic cheesecake shape and making it easy to serve. Now, let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, add 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing on low speed just until they are combined. Overmixing eggs can introduce too much air, leading to cracks. Finish by gently folding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Baking your cheesecake correctly is key to preventing cracks. Place your springform pan into a larger roasting pan, then pour hot water into the roasting pan to create a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes. The center should still have a slight jiggle when you gently shake the pan. After baking, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool inside with the door ajar for 1 hour. Once cooled, refrigerate your cheesecake for at least 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This chilling time is crucial for the cheesecake to set properly and develop its rich flavor and creamy texture. Before serving, carefully run a thin knife around the edge of the pan to ensure a clean release when you remove the springform ring. Garnish with your favorite toppings like fresh berries or chocolate shavings. And speaking of bringing things to life, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.